This is a demonstration video for the portable solar-powered water treatment system by Wickamar. Initially, you can set the tote anywhere you like near your source water. The first step is to remove the solar panels from the tote. Keep the sheet of white padding for later use. Next, retrieve the solar panel support from inside the tote. And this support is fully adjustable. You can use it to support the solar panels at the best angle to collect the most sunlight. Next, we'll connect the cables from the tote to the solar panels. The connections snap together very easily. Once the panels are connected, we're good to go. Now we're going to access the battery compartment inside the tote, and we're going to connect the battery by turning the green knob fully clockwise, and the blue valve at the bottom of the compartment should be closed. It's the drain valve. You'll notice the lights on the controller are now coming on, indicating that the solar panels and the battery are in good working order. Now let's connect the hoses. The inlet hose is the one with the basket strainer on the end, and the inlet hose is connected to the bottom port on the tote. The basket strainer itself goes right in the pond. The outlet hose connects to the top port on the tote, and this is where your purified water comes from. Let's fire up the system. Turn on the switch. The pump and the UV system come on. We're providing purified water now. You can fill a holding tank and you can run the system as long as possible, depending on the amount of sunlight available to charge the battery. Try some, it's good. The takedown is simple. Let's shut the system off first. We'll then go back into the battery compartment. We're going to open the drain to drain the water in the tote, and we're going to disconnect the battery by turning the green knob fully counterclockwise. You'll see the lights on the controller are now out, indicating the battery is disconnected. Next, we'll disconnect the solar panels. Then we can disconnect the hoses as well. Be sure to drain the hoses so you're not spilling water inside the tote. And the hoses will stow completely and conveniently inside the tote. Next, we can roll up the cable, and there's a convenient hook on the outside of the tote to carry the cable. Next, let's take down the solar panels. And the support post can be stowed back in the tote. Use the piece of foam in between the solar panels for protection. Fold up the panels, and they're stowed on top of the tote. You can use the ratchet straps provided with the tote to secure them to the top. And that's it.